Vicky here with you, and I'm here for an unboxing from a new company, one that I had never heard of before, and they're called Kokorosa Studio. And they're super generous with my fans. They're offering a 25% coupon code. So all in the description box below, you'll find the link to the products that I'm going to be sharing, as well as the discount code. So they make amazing dies, and I love dies. I've got quite a large collection, but I'm always on the lookout for new types that I haven't seen, and these fall into that category, like a lot of them. And so I wanted to showcase them with you. So this one, which it looks incredible, so I can't wait to try this out. So this here is a little cap, and then you've got this little wheel here, and you turn the little wheel, and then this little window goes into this, and so you can see, as you turn this, you can see different images. So I have never tried something like this. It looks way too complicated for the type of stuff that I would do. So when I saw that there's a die that could do this, I was very intrigued, and I'm thinking that this is going to be a lot of fun. So we're going to try that out. So that's one. Then, as you've seen, I want to make some jewelry and some earrings in particular. And they have this dies, and this is to make little jewelry, little earrings stands. So basically you use this, and then you can put your earrings on it as a display. So I thought that was very clever, and I'm looking forward to trying this out and see how that looks. And yeah, should be a lot of fun, depending on how it looks, because I'm thinking, you know, like when you want to offer a gift, and you want obviously to have a little something to put it on, but you might not have. Obviously, if you made it yourself, it's kind of nice to have a nice display, and you could use this with any type of cardstock, some that you make yourself. So that should be very interesting. And then they had this here, which is super adorable, little tags, and basically one side is filled up, and then the other side has a hole or has a design in it. So I thought that would be very sweet as well, and we could use this for Christmas cards or all sorts of other cards. And then they had this here, which you can never have, ever have too many little labels and dies for that. So look at that. How sweet is this? If you could put, like, you could put a little text on it and make it look like an ancient paper roll, and you could actually edge it with some distress ink or something. So I think these are going to be a lot of fun to use, and we could make some ahead of time that then you can use on card making session. So that's an idea that I have in my mind. So we're going to be making quite a lot of cards, and we're going to be making these so that I can actually try it out with earrings that I make. So I hope that you go and check them out. As I said, in the description box below, you'll find the link to their products, and a lot of them are small enough. I'm sorry about my dogs. My husband must have walked in. A lot of them are small enough that you could actually use a sidekick with them, which I really love, because not everybody has a big shot. So for example, like this one, I think there's a longer plate for the sidekick, but you could always like run it and then realign your paper, and you could use it for sure with these. So I thought that would be great, because I like my big shot. Well, I used to like my big shot. I really need to get a new one. That's what I need to do. but I haven't pulled the trigger yet. So that was what I would use for this. but I love using the smaller machine. It doesn't take as much room on my desk, especially when I'm crafting, and I'm a messy crafter, as you know. If you've seen my channel at all, you know that already. So I've got stuff everywhere by the time I'm finished, and so a smaller machine is much better for me. So yeah, so that's it, guys. I hope you go and check it out. Don't forget, if you do use the discount code for 25% off, that's a big discount, and already their prices are really, really good, so you're not going to regret it. So love you guys, see you soon, and we'll be off making cards. I'm very curious to know if you guys have ever made cards like this, and if so, let me know. How did it go? I'm anxious to see. I'm a bit nervous because, as I said, I've never done it, so we shall see. We'll do it together. Bye, guys.